and I'm the manager of Making It Happen at Wildly Different. We're going to do another team building tip Tuesday, but before I get into it, I want to make sure you know that if you have any questions that Wildly Different team building experiences can answer, you should leave that in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Today's tip is about team building versus a team outing. So what's a team outing? Let's start there. Team outing is anything that you do outside the workplace with your teammates or your coworkers. So I know that a lot of companies, ours included, loves to go to happy hour. That's a great team outing. You might do it to a next level and go like bowling. Bowling is also fun. Our company just did that at Kings Orlando. But if you want to do something that's a little on a deeper level, you would do something like a team building event. So team building allows your team to work together to accomplish something. So you're putting your skill set into use, whether you're solving problems, building something for charity, or it might just be doing a tried and true team building like the games, which is our relay themed Olympic style event. There's all sorts of things that can be done, but it's not just about coming together and talking over a meal. It's about doing and accomplishing something together. So if you're looking for team building ideas, of course, reach out to us, but we'd love to hear from you if you have any tips or questions. Enjoy the rest of your week. That's our Team Building Tip Tuesday.